you couldn't be bothered, could you, Ms Vennells? The risk was too great. Looking under that rock, you're going to find a problem. It's going to devastate the post office, ruin it. You couldn't let that happen, could you, Ms Vennells?
I loved the post office. I gave it... I worked as hard as I possibly could to deliver the best post office for the UK. It would have been wonderful to have 30,000 post office branches. That would have been the best outcome ever, to have had more post offices in more communities. What I failed to do, and I have made this clear previously, is I did not recognise and it's been discussed across the inquiry, the imbalance of power between the institution and the individual, and I let these people down. I am very aware of that, and we should have had better governance in place. We should have had better data reporting in place that meant that we could see what was happening to individual postmasters and to the system. That was not the case. At no time did I put the post office over the cases that were brought forwards. I worked as hard as I could and to the best of my ability, and I am very sorry that I was not able to find out what the inquiry has found out. I don't know today how much wasn't told to me. I do know information that I didn't get, and I don't know in some cases why it didn't reach me. But my only motivation was for the best for the post office and for the hundreds of postmasters that I met. And I regret deeply that I let these people down.
Ms Vennells, that's absolute rubbish, isn't it? Under your leadership, with your sidekick, Mrs Van der Boogaard, you took on the Globe litigants in the High Court, fighting tooth and nail, allowing counsel on behalf of the Post Office to cross-examine the litigants on the basis that the losses were their fault due to their incompetence or dishonesty. That's what happened under your leadership.